Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As usual, this is Ate G. So in this video I made is DIY headband made by Exist Fabrics. So here I had the headband, and I already made small flowers, which I don't make a video of it because it takes time. So here I made 3 pieces of it and this fabric. So here I just fold it this way and sew. So I finished sewing it, and I needed to cut the edges, the edge. It's an excess fabric, so we don't need it. I just got it away. So now that I have done cutting it, I need to bring it, because this is the inside part, so I need to take it out using the chopstick. I need to pull out the fabric so that it is the sewing part will be go inside. So here it is, just pull it and so it's all done, and I try to put my headband in. Just put it and pull it in. It's so easy. So you can use any fabric that you have, or old clothes whatsoever. So the nice fabric that you can use in making DIY headband is the silk fabric. Cotton is not so nice in making headband. So here it's done. Now it's just I just try it right now. So it's done. So I need to take it out again to stick it. So I use double-sided tape on it. So I just roll up the tape along the headband. So like that, and take out the cover of the tape, and we need to put in the fabric now. I already done sticking the fabric into the headband. Now we need to lock the edge of the headband using glue. So yeah, just lock it up here so that it will not come off using glue. And need to close the other side. And I need to stick the flower now. So it's so easy, just use a glue, sticking it. Nice. I like the color. Not so bright. And from brown and orange. Oh, it's not orange. It's a dark brown maybe. And tarang! My headband is done. It's all done. Thank you guys for watching. And see you all to my next uploaded video. Oh, here is the finished product that I have finished DIY headband that I just made. Again guys, thank you all for watching. See you next time. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so that you have notification in all the videos that I am going to upload. Enjoy watching and have a blessed day ahead, everyone.